This is one of my best home improvement projects, and I find that very practical. However, during my installation, there's one thing I overlooked. I made that mistake. I'm going to share that with you. Hopefully, when you install yours, you will not repeat the mistake I made. After I used the bidet for a few weeks, I noticed there was a crack. Then I found a piece of the bidet housing came off. Further examinations, I found more cracks. The reason is the original spacer for the seat is too short, and when force is applied to the seat, it cracked the plastic housing of the bidet. I used glue and attached a thicker spacer on the seat. I used the packaged foam spacer. You may want to use harder materials, such as wood. And after the fix, the seat does not press onto the plastic housing anymore. If you find this video helpful, useful, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. We'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.